Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with a haul slash kind of a essentials video for my reading journal. So let's go ahead and get into it. So we'll get some things out of the way first. First thing here is that obviously for my reading journal, we have a bazillion Scribble Prints Co stickers because that's just the way the cookie's crumbling. We're using all my stickers and making it so beautiful. They are in my shop, which I will have linked down below. They're all on matte removable paper and pretty fabulous. And I'm going to be coming out with way more designs. In my last video, y'all gave me so many good ideas, and I have some already brewing from previous to that, and I'm sure that y'all will leave me some ideas in the comments down below to add to my hefty idea list. The next thing that I wanted to mention is in that video, which I'll link it down below, where I show you all of the stickers that I came out with. I did also show you my bullet journal that I'm using, and I got it from Notebook Therapy, but I just wanted to show you this one that I had from Amazon as well. I'll actually show you a spread in this because this is how bad it looked before, and then I just this is what I was doing. This is what I was doing with my life prior. Hold on. Yeah, I think I've leveled up a smidge. These were cute. But yeah, so that is my reading journal. I think it might have been something I actually drew. Oh, here's the book of the year, which in this one I was doing every book and then narrowing it down. Yeah, it was a little rough and tough around the edges. There's a ton of whiteout marks, but this one's from Amazon, so it's an affordable, quick option, and I like the pink. So I'll link this one down below just in case you want something quick and easy. Other things that I have purchased previously and had already was these colored pencils. These are the Sioux color. I'll leave them linked down below. Yeah, I just like them. They're soft colored pencils, and there's 72 of them, and I feel like they have a good amount of colors. They're pretty affordable. Got them on Amazon, and I'm using these. I did go ahead and buy myself, which I'll link which one I got, a pencil holder, because rooting through for specific colors is kind of crazy. So I did order a holder so I can see all of my colored pencils at a glance. Other things that I had previously is I go through Tombow permanent adhesive for everything, for planning, for personal life. For this now, I just go through this. I actually lost, you buy these replacement bits, and I actually lost the main thing, so I had to buy a new one recently, but I always have these on hand, and this is what I've been using to glue any covers on. Another thing that I did have on hand already are these itty bitty little Martha Stewart scissors. They don't sell them anymore. I actually have some of the big ones as well, but these have just been my favorite scissors for 8 years, so I have those already. I did on Amazon buy a couple other things as well. The first thing that I bought, which just came in today, is the Prismacolor Premier pencil sharpener, and I just wanted a pencil sharpener that had 2 size holes, and I figured having one that was kind of more art related versus a 50-cent one might be a little bit more handy. The reviews were good, so I went ahead and picked this up. I like that there is a lid. Oh, and it even snaps like that. That's nice. So, because some of my color pencils are already getting a little dull, as you can see. So, we need to sharpen those bad boys up. But I like this. It's pretty slick, Nice, feels substantial. So excited to have that. Another thing that I picked up is these Tombow erasers, and they are specifically for colored pencils and ink. They had really good reviews, so I'm very interested to see how they go. It says sand eraser, high quality natural rubber latex eraser with silica grit. So I'm excited to see. Let's actually just do a little test. Why don't we? Get a post-it note or something or actually let me just do something on a sticker sheet. What do I got over here that I'm okay with? Okay, let's try one of these out. Let's cut this pink color. Okay. pretty good. I mean, compared to other erasers, that's pretty impressive. Actually, pull the sticker off there. But yeah, that looks pretty good. It's like definitely still like slightly there. But compared to before, I'd say it's a win. I don't know also about the ink. That just seems kind of bizarre, but yeah, I'm not mad about it. I think it works in a jiff. It is a little bit messy, I will say, and I feel like I did use kind of a bit of that eraser for that little tiny spot, but they were pretty inexpensive, so that is approved on my part. Then I did place an order with Simply Gilded, which is one of my friends Irene's shops. She mostly sells washi, but I just wanted to get some other stickers too because I was just like in the sticker buying mood, and these were specifically purchased for my reading journal kind of in mind. So there was like a little freebie here, a Save the Whales journaling card, which is very cute. There is basically I picked up stickers that are like her friendship bracelet deco sheets. So this one is the Texas Sunset beads, and they're on kind of like a glossy, almost like vinyl textured paper. These ones are more like a matte paper, but I'm not trying to write on them, but like the other like plasticky. So that is that one. And then I got the deco beads in spacer beads in silver, in gold. And then I also got the number beads in silver and gold, the letter beads 3 in silver and 3 in gold. And these have a like pink outline. And then these are the bold beads, the blush beads, the Valentine's Bay beads 2, and Valentine's Bay beads 1. So yeah, I don't know where I'm going to use them in my reading journal, but I thought they'd be cute to have. And then I did also pick up a couple of washi tapes. This one is not for my journal. This is actually, I wanted to get this a while ago, but I was like, I didn't want to like place an order just for one thing. But this is like wood grain washi tape, and I got it for my I Love Cats game because I have like these boxes I need to wrap with something, and I thought that would be cute because they're wood. But I did pick up 3 washi tapes. This one here is just some books. And then I picked up these 2 like pastel rainbow tie-dye scallop borders. I thought those would come in handy. And then I also got some things at Hobby Lobby, and I was going to say Michael's, but I don't think I ended up actually getting anything at Michael's. So first one that I got here is from Stickabilities, and this is a like retro rodeo kind of vibe sticker sheet. Again, like I said in my last video, I don't know if I'm going to use like stickers or just do like color in stuff. I kind of want to use stickers because I think it'll give it more of that like mixed media look. This one is also from Stickabilities, the paper studio, and these are like glitter ice creams. Also from the same brand, this is Glitter Unicorns. And then from the Christmas section, I got these like retro looking Santa gold foiled stickers. I thought those were very, very cute. And I could always use all of these like elsewhere as well. I did place my first ever order from Pipsticks. This is Pipstickers by Pipsticks, and I did actually pre-order the strawberry shortcake collection because Lila wants a strawberry birthday, and I'm thinking I'm just going to do strawberry shortcake. And I thought that just reminds me of Lila because she calls them strawberries. And yeah, so I pre-ordered that, so that'll be coming, but it was in the same order. And I had a coupon code, so I was like, all right, let's go ahead and buy some more things. So I just bought a couple of things because I didn't know like what my plan was as far as like stickers go in my reading journal, but I did get these. These are like super cute witchy-esque stickers with some gold in there as well. This is called Magic Mediums. I like that they have the little name there as well. Then this one here is called All by My Shelf, which I believe the shelf is a sticker. But then maybe like it's cut in boxes. I don't know. But I know that like individually these like books are also stickers, which I think is fun. So those are cute. And then this one is the Book Smart stickers. Obviously you can see there was mostly a theme here. Oh, this one was adorable, kind of like very library-esque. This one is By the Book, and I thought this was kind of cute. It kind of reminds me of like maybe like the late 90s, early 2000s kind of vibes. And then this one is passing notes. I just thought the notes were so cute because Nick and I have probably passed hundreds of notes to each other. And I just thought that that was adorable. It could be really cute for like a little rom-com spread there. And then last but not least, actually I have other things coming. So I probably will do either another part to this haul or I'll just upload another haul eventually. But I ordered from another Etsy shop as well some stickers, like these kind of like doodly type stickers, and they haven't come yet. I think they might be from like a different country, but I will have those in my next haul. So this is from Abigail Marie Arts, and I got them on Etsy. So there's like a little freebie sticker here with a cloud and a star, and then a little person here, fashion person. And then the 3 stickers that I ordered is, and it was funny because they put on my like order note sheet, what a nice combo, because it is very weird. So we have some Halloween stickers that were very cute for the Halloween time. Again, strawberries, because they remind me of Lila, and I thought they were really cute. And then I also got this Heartstopper one because I just love Heartstopper and I'm obsessed. Can't wait to use this like ASAP in my journal because I already have like a little spot for it, but they're just so cute. I would definitely buy again. They're very, very adorable, and I like the sizing of them. There's some that are bigger, some that are smaller. Super stinking cute. But that, my friends, is everything. I just wanted to do kind of like a little haul, especially because I want to put a lot of this away, and you know, digging everything back out is not always the most fun experience. But yeah, that's everything. I will leave everything linked down below for y'all that I can link. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you have any suggestions for me, even if it's not something that I should make, but something I should buy, let me know in the comments down below or message me. But otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video.